So you want the answer to the age-old question, how are you gonna take better pictures without selling a kidney on the most expensive camera, Bucker? Well, I'll tell you, shall I? It's by not spending any money on a new camera. Jeez, when are you gonna learn? But what do I know? It's just taken me 40 years to get this far as a pro. You wanna know what the secret is? I'll tell you what the secret is. It's not new kit, and it's not studying for longer than it took Einstein to understand relativity. It's simple, Bucker. Really, really simple. The answer is light. That stuff that's lighting my face now. That's the answer to photography, Bucker. You're just pointing a box at things and hoping for the best. You see that grainy, shadowy mess that you just created? That is I don't understand light photography. And you don't want to do that anymore, so stop. So how you gonna harness the power of the light, Bucker? How you gonna do it? Well, I'll tell you. You gotta get up, you lazy Bucker. Get up out of bed in the mornings. Yeah, there's a 5 a.m. as well as p.m. You gotta get up and get out there, Bucker. Stop waltzing around at midday complaining about their shadows, will you? You want something for somebody to buy you for Christmas? Then get them to buy you an alarm clock so you can get out of bed, you lazy so-and-so. Go and find the best light. 'Cause here is the secret. The light don't come looking for you. If I hear one more photographer moaning about the light, moaning and whinging and whining about the light, the same light that Ansel Adams has, the same light that William Turner had, come on, get out there and find the light. It's out there, look, Bucker. It's beautiful. It's like a giant softbox. You can do amazing portraits. You don't need flashes, Bucker. Go find the light. That's the secret. I told you. Now go take some pictures.